So the easiest way to now get these raindrops to be different colors is to create an array of colors. So to do that, I'm just going to call it var colors. And I'm going to fill this array with the following. I'm going to say color, and then I'm going to pick the colors I want to put for each of these. Purple, and you do a comma between each one, and then you do another, make sure you have an ending here though, boop. And then color, and we'll do another one, red is fine. It wrote over my ending here, there we go. Color, and green, that's a fun one. It keeps writing over it, it's driving me absolutely nuts. Comma, color, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Do like a pinky, magenta-y kind of thing. Comma, I'm gonna go to a new line here. And 1, 2, 3, 4. And comma, I'm gonna put this here because it's gonna drive me absolutely nuts. And color, and let's pick like orange. And our last one, an ugly lime color. Now for the fill, instead of filling it with one color here, as we go through, we're going to fill it from the colors array at the increment or whichever one we're in this loop. Just like we filled the X and the Y position, now it's going to fill them with the color that matches the number we're on through the loop.